for the lost.
Thank you.
Wow. Person go just dey life, you go be like say useless. Nothing. I no get work, I no get anything. I just wake up for morning, no work. Even my papa gone where I even get. That one useless too. Ordinary one native doctor work where he get. Others take the blow, they follow for G boys work anyhow. He no fit use and make money. He own na if you see small money, go use and carry small.
Why so be juju be that? Okay, reach watch and go.
Say now my son be that too. Say now so he go just dey dey think every day, every blessed day he go just dey dey think like he go. Since when the mama don born, I never use one day dey good mood. Every time I to dey think, I no just tire. I say I no tire, I be a tire.
Maybe.
Why so be juju be that?
You dey pain am. You dey pain am. You dey pain am. If you do, may you close the gate. You understand?
I talk am. All these small girls now, na me suppose dey chop am. See my papa dey carry am dey go house. Dey tell me make I go lock door. No wahala. I assure you today na your final day. Today be your judgment day. I go make sure say I kill you. That your shrine, I go take over that shrine. I know wetin dey use shrine take dey do now. Anybody wey be native doctor, na big man for Nigeria.
You think say they wise? Juju be that. Okay, reach watch and cup of tea.
We sorry for the lost.
Thank you.
But your father handed over this to me before he died. So I'll go ahead to read.
What do we hear this?
My dear beloved members of Native Daughter Wickedness Association of Nigeria, I really appreciate your effort so far, and you, my dear only son,
Think say they wise?
I thank you too for your work so far. So I want my instruction to be carried out properly because I want my burial to be biggest one so far.
That one no be problem. I go must make sure say in better na number one. No problem.
Will you keep quiet?
I want you to bury me with my son head.
Why so be juju be that?
And feed its pennies to the gods of Ogolongo.
Okay, reach watch and cup of tea.
After then, slaughter the rest of the part of the body for my burial meat. Thank you.
Photo, no be juju be that.
Where my penis? Where my penis? I'm not see my penis.
Thanks for Ogologo. They have accepted our sacrifice. Your penis have been done sacrifice to Ogologo shrine.
What? Jesus is Lord.
It's left for we to slaughter the part of his body for the meat. The demon of Ogologos
I dare you.
is taking off.
Our people are only qualified to guide pipeline. They say, sorry, oh. But we hope another defeat say you learn.